Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Vidal in Indiana on the Galaxy DX66 V3. Vidal, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Pleasure talking to you on the phone the day you called about this. Good to meet you. Got you at 1 watt all the way down, Vidal. That way, if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 5 watts all the way up. A good safe range for a dual final radio. And I'm going to try to show you average power swing. I'm a little under the weather. Hello. About 17 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 50 watts in the corner. We're hitting about 55 watts or so. Roll it all the way down. There's your 1 watt. Show you the peak. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, Vidal, it's ready to go, bud. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.